In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update personal details on Yahoo. We'll start by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works fine, just make sure it's up to date so pages load correctly. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. You may be redirected to a regional version of Yahoo based on your location, and that's perfectly fine. Before you proceed, take a quick look at the address to confirm you're on Yahoo's official site and that it's secure. On the Yahoo homepage, look toward the upper right corner and find the Sign In button. Click it. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign into your account. This typically involves entering your Yahoo email or username, then your password. If you have two-step verification enabled, complete that as well. Give it a moment to process after you submit your details. You might see a brief loading screen while Yahoo signs you in. Once you're signed in, you'll return to the Yahoo page and see your profile avatar or initial in the upper right. Click your profile, then choose Manage Your Account from the menu. This opens your account management area where all your key settings live. In the account overview, look for Personal Settings and select it. This is where you can view and manage your basic personal information. Scroll down the page to find the section that shows your personal details. When you see the option to make changes, click Update. You'll now be on the edit screen where you can type and select the fields you want to change. Update your information carefully and accurately. For example, ensure your name matches how you want it displayed and, if relevant, how it appears on official records. Double-check your date of birth format and make sure your region or language settings reflect where you actually are, as this can affect how content and notifications appear. If you see options like gender or other personal fields, choose what best fits your preferences. Take a moment to review spelling and formatting before saving, since these details can appear across Yahoo services. When everything looks correct, click Done to save your changes. You should see a confirmation or the updated details reflected on the page. If you don't see changes immediately, refresh the page after a few seconds. That's it, your personal details are now updated. To recap, you opened Yahoo, signed in, went to your profile, selected Manage Your Account,